No.
Initiative
No,
for
no,
the
no,
discussion
no.
on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal
You can-
attack is my topic. The
You
government
go-
is,
you-
sir,
you-
the
if you
government
want-
is
if you want
trying
to
to
speak-
attack the people of
you
the
want to
nation
speak,
in
you
the
speak
name
about
of
the
SIR,
subject.
sir.
I am giving
My
you the last
topic is
chance.
wild animal. Wild
I am
animal
giving you
attack
the
is
last
very
chance.
serious.
If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going
What I am
to.
telling, wild
Shri
animal
Birendra
attack is
Prasad.
serious.
Vice, Shri Birendra Prasad Vice.
Sir, thank you very much. I am raised here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Kush, Sutia, Kush, Sutia, Tea community, to guarantee scheduled caste Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam and they are the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting their demand. I like to request to guarantee these six communities of Assam. Sir, in the year 1968, sorry ma'am, excuse me. In the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note as a tribal community. Rights Simon Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status, sir. For this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Kush, and Sikh community, their journey is very justified, genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the ST status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I humbly request the government to grant the status of the six community of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Sutia, and Sikh community immediately should get the tribal status, and I hope and I believe government will grant it, government will bring the bill in the present session, and this visit will
Please conclude.
this bill will pass and this will get treated, sir. Thank you.
Now, honourable members, on behalf of this August House, I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Mr. Salwa Papu Silvi, Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on the visit to India as our honoured guest. Parliamentary committee has come. You please sit on your. I am calling him. You let me complete this welcoming them. You ask them to sit, all of you. You please sit. I am going to call. No. A delegation has come. A delegation has come. I am going to read my. We are welcoming them. A delegation from Georgia has come. Let me complete. No. Let me complete this. Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on a visit to India as our honoured guests. We have strong bilateral relations with Georgia. The visit of Georgia parliamentary delegation will further strengthen our bilateral relations. The parliamentary delegation arrived in Delhi from Georgia on Monday, the 1st December 2025. They are now seated in the special box. They are scheduled to meet, call on various dignitaries in Delhi. Besides Delhi, they will also visit Agra before their departure from India. We wish them a pleasant and fruitful stay in our country. Through them, we convey our greetings and best wishes to the members of the parliament, the government and the friendly people of Georgia. Now it is Sri Tiruchi Siva.
Point of. I have a point of.
No, there is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken up? No point of order can be taken up. No, you have to read. Otherwise, I am going to give the chance to the other member.
What is it?
No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order.
What is the point of order?
You tell me very clearly. You want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that, I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of point of order? Let everybody go to their seat.
We have come
Sit
to
there.
speak only.
Then
They are going. They are
No.
going, sir.
Yeah.
They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing.
Come
Nobody can take the house for granted.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody should go by the norms of the
By
house.
the rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well and what rules it is.
They have
there?
gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit. Otherwise, you have to read in the.
I'll come.
Now house is in order. Boss. Tell him. बैठ जाइए. बैठ जाओ.
Mr. Chairman, all are in their respective.
No.
Sir, point of order.
Hello.
Point of order. Point of order, sir.
Mr. Tiwari, first of all, I let you come.
बैठ जाइए.
Yes. I will give a chance to everyone, provided if you are in order.
Now they are in order.
Yeah.
You start.
Sir, we have come here to speak only, sir.
Sir, now they are disturbing.
Tell me the.
Now they are disturbing.
Sir, this side is in order, sir.
Okay, you tell me the rule, or you want to speak on this?
Tell me the rule. He's saying, tell me the rule.
Mr. Chairman, this side is in order.
So
Let me.
yes, as I am coming to you later, please. You tell the point of order.
Rule 239, sir. When for the purposes of explanation, during discussion or for any other sufficient reason, any member has occasion to ask a question for under the consideration of the council, he shall ask the question through the chairman. Sir, my simple question is, sir, we all gave 267 notice, sir. You dispensed off with it. You didn't even tell what are the reasons why you dispensed off, in what reason the notice.
The reason has been read out by
No,
me
sir.
in my answer
sir.
itself, and I am
No.
rejecting
No, at least
it. I have told you.
At least allow the
what are
LOP.
the reasons?
Sir,
There is no point of order.
Allow the LOP.
There is no point
Allow
of
the
order.
LOP to
चोरी
speak.
पे चर्चा से क्यों भाग रहे हैं लोग?
Allow the LOP to speak.
सर वोट चोर सरकार चर्चा से क्यों भाग रही है?
Now, Ajit Kumar Bayan.
Respected Chairman, sir, for this mention, I'd like to draw attention to the prevailing situation in Tezpur University, Assam. Tezpur University is a central university which was established by an Act of Parliament in 1994. Its founding is considered one of the outcome of the Assam Accord signed in 1985. Since the last few months, the university has been witnessing dharna and protests against some omissions and commissions on the part of the university authority. The Vice Chancellor is not in university campus for around 2 months. The students are staging dharna and protests, and no sincere attempt has been made to resolve the impasse. several facts and information surfaced in the public domain regarding irregularities and corruption which are taking place under direct and tacit approval of the authority. The VC cannot escape responsibility simply by keeping away from the university campus. The need of the hour is to bring back the educational atmosphere to normalcy. For one individual, the highest temple of learning cannot be allowed to suffer. The government should be cautious in the matter of appointment of Vice Chancellor, and any extraneous consideration should not be pursued in appointing VCs. While expressing my anguish over the matter, I request the Honorable Minister of Education to step in and to take appropriate steps and restore the congenial atmosphere in the university.